right, now we're in the second set. Sorry we missed minutes of the first set. Apparently we got pushed up on our scheduling here. And Beach Vibes took the first set. And now we are seeing the second set between Ace and Beach Vibes. Final instructions from our NCVA official to our line judges. Who has the game ball? There you go. Ace. Ace will start the second set. Uh, 1-0 Beach Vibes. Two zero. Two, Ace. Three, one, Beach Vibes.
If I stay around here long enough, I'll run into you.
Oh yeah?
What's going on, man?
Pretty good. Is she playing tonight?
No, we're AM.
Oh, you're all done?
Oh, we'll hang out with 16.
Oh. 2, 3. Huh? Oh, I
We'll hang out with 16.
Okay. Hey, long time no see.
Yeah, seriously, man.
Yeah.
I think this is the first time this season.
Yeah, right. I know. I haven't seen Church or anybody for a while. Yeah. 3-3, Ace. Yeah. Yeah, we're doing good. We're looking good, but we will see when we start playing the real teams at the top.
Well, who's left? Vision and Rage,
Vision and Rage, yeah. You heard about Rage, right?
Yeah, that's
4-3. They're playing in the 16s Power League.
okay.
And we're like, what? Right? And then so what happens in the qualifier, right? And they're not even playing in any of the qualifiers we are in. They're going some other tournament. So
they are so confident, I guess, that they're just going to get a bid somewhere. They're not even playing their league.
5-3 Beach Vibes. What I'm hearing is that the coach wants to give these girls the high school exposure. Yeah. The scouts are out there, so he's going to those tournaments with that kind of scout exposure. But I mean, I heard that he's going to take the girls over to the AAU one over in Florida. So the scout, oh, that was long, 4 or 5. Yeah, so when I heard that, I was like, oh, wow. man, he's really got going for it because last year they finished second place, right? You know, in the whole nation. So I guess that's probably why, because most of the talent is still there. They're playing good.
Well, I was told that all the bench warmers left because they were so pissed that they're not getting play
Getting
time.
play time?
Screw it, I'm leaving. But then supposedly they drafted a couple of even faster girls.
Yeah. 6-4 Beach Vibes. Yeah, I mean, they got one of our girls, like Hannah. Remember she was with us one year?
Hannah went there?
Yeah, they live in Pleasanton anyway, so it's more convenient for them to go there now. You know how murdering it is to drive from Pleasanton to San Francisco? You know, so I think that worked out for them. The question is, how much playtime does she get?
Exactly.
7-4. She could be sitting on the fence all the time, right?
You know that's how they're doing it. Just starting and that's it.
Yeah. Yeah, I used to think like, oh, sometimes these clubs like Red Rock and Vision, they try to grab some of these players to play for their own team, but you find out they're not even playing; they're sitting on the bench.
Yeah, they're crushing the other team.
Yeah. 5-7 ace. But I don't know about it this time. I think this is for real. I mean, that club is for real. They've got some real talent there.
Oh shit! Have you checked the rankings? Other than 16, Vision is number 1 in everything else.
Yeah.
13, 14, 15,
Yeah.
17, 18.
Yeah.
Hey, man.
Yeah. That score is now 8-4 in progress.
Man.
Right? That's crazy, huh? Like, what did they do? I mean, it's not just coaching now. They must have really lured some really good players over to their club. 9-4 Beach Vibes.
Every division.
Yeah.
No, but you guys are looking good though.
9-4. Well, we'll see about that. Well, we got the whole season.
You already know it's going to be like a 3-horse race.
That's a timeout call by Ace. 10-4 current score. Oh, a little earring instruction here. All right, that's taken care of. Now, Crystal serving 10-4, ace, 11-4. Four. Whoa, that was close. 13-4. $14-4. $15-4.
It's too bad Nova won't let us put spicy hummus in there. She'll probably hit harder.
I got 15-4, no 16, yeah, 16-4 beach vibes. And that's 17-4. Okay, 5-17, ace. That's 18-5. That was Natalie with the block. Okay, that's that's 6-18, ace. Watch out, ball. All right. Thank you. Seven, 18. Ace. $19-7. Brittany scores a kill. Looks like 27, I believe. Oh, 19-7. Okay, 19-7 beach vibes. Oh, it is. That's right. 27 beach vibes. Timeout call by Ace. It's hard to say because they moved us up. I don't know what they did with the other game. I don't know if it happened or what.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, I guess I'll have to look at our little...
Once this is finished, then we know where we're going, right?
Yeah. There we go, 27 beach vibes. going on, replay. 27. Eight 20. Okay, 21-8. Beach Vibes. That was an ace. 22-8. I think, who was serving right there? Oh, pretty. Okay, here we go. 9:23. I don't think that's right. Man, you guys are down for 9:22 now. I don't get it. Ooh. Sorry. 10:22. Eleven 22. Now it's 23-11. I hope that score is correct. 23-11, Beach Vibes. $24-11, ace. And that is the set, 25-11, Beach Vibes.